Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to change the brake booster with a master cylinder assembly on the 99 Zen along with this proportioning valve that you see here and the individual hoses that connect from the brake lines to the calipers and the drum brakes at the rear. So let's see how this is done. Along with me is my trusted mechanic from Palanpur, Talib Bhai. He's here. He is a master mechanic who is an expert in older cars, especially carbureted Zens. What you see in his hand is our new brake booster assembly from Bosch, which I got locally from Chennai GP Road. I'll share all the part numbers and details. So this is a brake booster assembly that you see here, and it's essentially a plug and play unit. You have to remove the older assembly, install the new one, put in new fluid, get rid of air in the system, and that's pretty much it. We have some basic tools here. I also have these hoses that you see here. These are the hoses for the rear. You can see rear hose, brake flexible. This is for the front hoses, and I also have this bottle for collecting the older brake fluid and a large syringe from a veterinary medicine shop for sucking out as much brake fluid from the master cylinder reservoir as possible. And this is our new proportioning valve from the Swift. So I'm going to have to block one of the outlets, which I'll show you how to do. So let's get on with this. Guys, brake fluid is extremely corrosive in the sense it will eat into paint like anything. So it is best to have your side covered like this, so you know any fluid that leaks off will not get in touch with the painted panel. नहीं वैसे तो हमने पूरा निकाल दिया ना.
नहीं पाइप में होगा ना थोड़ा.
This is a vacuum line connection. We have to disconnect this hose from here. Okay, so those 4 nuts that you see here, 1, 2, 3 and the one above. So if you disconnect that, you can, and you have to disconnect the connection between the brake pedal and the master cylinder assembly. Then you can remove the whole assembly from the engine bay. ठीक है. So this is our stock brake master cylinder assembly. This is from KBX, the OEM that you can see here. Here is KBX, and this came from the factory. You can see that during our course of replacing brake fluid and all. Brake fluid, like I said, eats away into paint. So if it falls down, this had actually fallen down. That's why the condition is like this. But otherwise, this cylinder was in an okay state. The sole reason we are changing is as a part of preventive maintenance. The car is 25 years old, so now would be a good time to swap out the brake master cylinder assembly. Now the next thing is to change the brake proportioning valve, which is this one. So to access it, it will be a good idea to remove the air filter assembly. So we'll remove the air filter assembly box. this is a stock proportioning valve. This is from KBX again. So this is the older one. This is a new one. You can see that one of the outlet is closed here. This is open. So we'll have to close this using a bolt. They have already given a bolt, and we'll use that. This one is actually for the Swift, although it will work for the Zen as well. Guys, we have tightened one end with the bolt. It used a 14 mm socket. Guys, remember, we are not supposed to put Teflon tape on any of the brake lines. It's unsafe to do so because it's a high pressure line, but we have put Teflon in the bolt for an added safety measure to prevent any unwanted leak. But for the rest of the securing nuts, we do not have to do that, so please be careful about that part. So here we have the new master cylinder with the reservoir brake booster. Connect the vacuum hose there.
આટલો હલતો હશે કે નહીં હોય
और तो आओ
આ તમને હાલી જ છે
बस सही. हो गया.
बिजली वाले है
There you go. This is the old hose on the co-driver side. Repeat the same procedure that we did on the driver side and get this done with. और कई जगह पे है?
नहीं यही ज़्यादा है, ये थोड़ा इधर है खराब हो गया पूरा.
There you go. hoses in place.
गाड़ी को थोड़ी आगे दे दो.
Guys, for the rear wheels, we have two hoses. In fact, this one is one brake line that is connected from the right side wheel, and you have two hoses which you can see there. Those are the only two hoses, these two. So we'll change those. pedal दबाओ.
हाँ दबा छोड़ो, दबा छोड़ करे जाओ, किए जाओ तो आएगा. आओ तो एयर फिल्टर खुला है उसके लिए. करो तुम, हो रहा है तो.
कम हो रहा है. वहाँ वो भी भर रहा है.
हाँ वो करो पहले. करो ब्रेक पे.
बढ़िया.
इतना तो हो जाएगा अंदर. तुम करे जाओ
बस
बेटा.
बस बस.
दबा के रखो.
दबाया.
हाँ बस दबा रखना. हाँ उस तरफ निकालना.
Once you're done purging air from the system completely, top up the brake fluid in the reservoir, close the reservoir cap and connect the brake fluid level sensor plug. And head out for a drive to test the brakes. There should be no sponginess while applying the brakes, or you shouldn't depress the brake pedal fully for the car to stop. That shows there's air in the system which you should remove. Okay, so let's look at all the parts that are used. I've given all the part numbers in the exploded parts diagram towards the end. So this is the brake booster assembly with a master cylinder from Bosch. It set me back by rupees 3,500 or thereabouts in the local market. It is pretty much available in the market today. This is the brake proportioning valve from the Swift. Remember, you will need an additional bolt to close one of the outlets on the valve, which the dealer should provide you, or you should ask for it. This is the brake hose for the front brakes. You will need two of them. This is the bolt that attaches to the front brakes hose. You will need two of them again. This is the hose that goes to the rear brakes. Again, you'll need two of them. And finally, you're going to need at least 1.5 to 2 liters of .3 brake fluid for filling the system and purging air out of the system. I used KBX's brake fluid. And here is the exploded parts diagram of the braking system showing the various parts that are used in this process. So that will be all, guys. I hope the video was useful. Let me know if you have any queries. Happy restoring your Zen. Bye and take care.